5 high-nutrition food recipes. Journey with me on a culinary adventure, exploring 5 recipes that combine irresistible flavors with potent nutrition, from the Moroccan souks, the Aegean Sea, to the Himalayan heights. Our first stop is a Moroccan chickpea carrot rainbow bowl, a radiant blend of roasted chickpeas, carrot ribbons, and red onion, accentuated with spices and a tangy tahini lemon dressing. Next, we dive into pan-seared salmon paired with a lemon dill yogurt sauce, resting atop a bed of perfectly roasted asparagus. A melody of citrus, dill, and the sea's richness. We then ascend with a lentil and quinoa Buddha bowl teeming with spices, sweet potato chunks, and a creamy tahini drizzle. A textural wonderland echoing the tranquility of the Himalayas. Venture to Greece's sun-kissed orchards with a Greek yogurt parfait, adorned with plump berries and crunchy pistachios. A symphony of textures and flavors for guilt-free indulgence. Lastly, we savor the energy of Mexico with a spicy black bean and corn soup, a fiesta in a bowl, balanced with cool avocado crema, promising a celebration of south-of-the-border flavors.